Brianna K. Today's video I'm sharing with you my summer beauty routine. This is a new video for my channel, but I have gotten so many requests to share with you my makeup routine, my self-tanner routine, and I just wanted to share with you everything that I do, from skincare, hair care, all of that for self-care during the summer. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're new, make sure that you subscribe while you're watching today.
Wanna know how it's night after night, oh, searching after miracles.
When it comes to my skincare routine, I wash my face in the morning and at night with the Formula 10.0.6 Daily Cleanser. And if my skin appears extra oily, I will do a double wash. Then I always use the So Totally Clean face toner. I have combination to oily skin, and that always helps to minimize the oiliness. And at least once a week, I will use a Mist Spa face mask to keep my skin extra glowy and dewy. And I will have all of the products that I use in this video listed down in my description box below for you too. And in the summer, since I'm wearing shorts and dresses pretty much every day, I shave my legs 2 to 3 times a week. Even though during this pregnancy, I haven't seemed to need to shave as often, which is nice, so I won't complain about that.
What it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, oh, searching after miracles, oh yeah, night after night, after
And I know so many of you have asked about my self-tanning routine for summer. I usually do this routine right after I get out of the shower, but for the video, I'm showing you with my bikini on. I always moisturize with my Palmer's cocoa butter on my belly and this Vaseline spray moisturizer. And I put on my Native deodorant before I apply my self-tanner.
And I'd like to thank Native for sponsoring today's video. Native has a wide range of choices. They're great for on the go, they're not sticky, and I absolutely love the scents of the different deodorants that they have. So there's a coconut vanilla one that I ordered in my last Native order. It smells like the beach. It smells so good. I also decided to try this eucalyptus and mint, and it smells like a spa. Like, it's so calm and relaxing. And I also decided to try the citrus and herbal musk. This one is my favorite of the 3. It just smells like summertime. It smells so good. And seriously, when I was setting up the camera, because my armpits were out like this, I was thinking, oh my God, it smells so good. And it truly does. It lasts all day long. Even when I go for my hour-long walks to exercise, I can still smell my deodorant when I get back. Ingredients are aluminum-free, paraben and sulfate-free, and they're made with natural ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter. And Native is vegan and cruelty-free.
Dance till I drop. Big spender.
3 deodorants like I ordered are normally $36, but if you use the link down in my description box and my code Brianna K, you will get 3 deodorants for $24. That's 33% off. So make sure you use my code and my link.
When it comes to my self-tanner routine, I always use a tanning mousse and a mitt to apply it. I really like this Saint-Tropez watermelon scented tanning mousse, and sometimes I think a mistake I've made is that I haven't put enough of the product onto the mitt. So I use at least 3 pumps for my arms, for each section of my legs, 3 pumps for my stomach, and 3 pumps for my chest. So each section of your body, make sure you've got enough product on that mitt when you're applying it. And first I rub it up and down to make sure my skin is completely covered. And then I'll go into a circular motion so that it doesn't look streaky and it's more blended in.
Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. No love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Playing that only because.
Now before I put on my makeup, I apply my Monet moisturizer all over my face and neck, and then I apply my Monet eye cream. Here's my current makeup routine. I start with my Bare Minerals foundation and I use 2 pumps for my face, and I think that gives a very natural coverage. It's not cakey. And I add 1 pump of the bronzer to that for a summer glow.
Staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town. Echoing this.
Then I'll put concealer under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose and blend that in.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so.
Next, I apply powder all over my face for more of a matte finish. And then I take some of my powder bronzer and I put that on my cheekbones, along my hairline, my jawline, and down my neck. And then I'll add some blush on my cheeks. For my eyeshadow, I usually pick a gray or mauve colored shadow and I apply that on my lids. And then I'll take a light highlighter and I use that under my brows, in the corner of my eyes, and under my lower lashes to help brighten up my eyes.
If nothing changes, so change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground.
Next, I fill in my brows, and since quarantine, I haven't gotten lash extensions, so I use Dior Lash Primer and then Charlotte Tilbury mascara for my lashes.
Told you so, but I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out.
For my lips, I get the most questions about my lip color. I always apply Blistex first so that they are moisturized, and then I use an NYX pencil in nude pink to line them, and I fill in my lips with that too. Next, I use the Kylie matte lip in the shade Kylie, and I layer that with the shade Cocoa. And finally, I use my iconic London Plumping Gloss. It's in the shade Nearly Nude to finish my lips. And then I use my iconic London Illuminator to highlight my cheekbones and my Cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy.
For my hair, I only wash it once a week. It took me about a month to transition into doing this because I wanted my hair to be healthier and have less heat damage. So I use Heritage dry shampoo in between washes on my roots. And I think it really helps if you rub in your dry shampoo with your fingertips so that it really soaks up the oil all over your scalp. And I do have sewn in hair extensions, and the ends can get really dry. So I apply the Monet Rejuvenique oil to the ends of my hair and then brush that through.
We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and
And I don't know about you, but I am aching to go back to the salon for a proper mani-pedi. But for now, I'm DIYing it to be extra safe for the baby. So first I use a nail buffer to buff my nails. Then I file and shape them. And I picked a white Essie polish, but just to warn you, this did not go on very smooth like the other Essie polishes that I've tried. I don't know if I got an old bottle or something. This was new. But I love the white nail look, especially in the summer when your skin is tan. I feel like it looks so pretty.
come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You've done nothing to prove, oh, baby, I know. We got this.
There you have it. That is my summer beauty routine for 2020. I hope that you take the time to remember to pamper yourself, make time for yourself. It is so important. And I will have links down in my description box below to all of the products that I used in this video. And don't forget, use my code Brianna K and the link for Native down in the description box below as well if you want the best smelling deodorant, especially for this summer. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you then. Bye, loves.